I need a fucking camera or a fucking thing just to explain what the fuck I'm going on about. But then it's actually interacting with the camera. And that's like why, like with sister, with big brother, the more cameras you have on you, the less aware you become. So therefore, the more the awareness the camera has instead of yours. The camera starts logging your idea,